Getting a head injury properly diagnosed is the first step to recovery. But what if the injury can't be diagnosed? CTE is a disorder believed to be caused by repeated hits to the head that can only be diagnosed after death. But a Canadian research team is working to change that. CTV's Adrian Gabriel reports on a groundbreaking study.
Inside this research lab, each vial is packed with a mixture of hope and optimism that could alter the course of an elusive and potentially deadly brain disorder.
If we can image CTE in life, we can start working towards stopping the disease in its tracks.
Chronic traumatic encephalopathy, also known as CTE, is believed to be caused by repetitive head impacts. Today, CTE can only be diagnosed after death during a post-mortem examination.
So it's safe to control.
Scientific director Neil Vasdev is hoping to change that.
When this is up and running, inside is radioactive.
Correct, yes, it's radioactive.
Vasdev's team here at Toronto's Centre for Addiction and Mental Health are just weeks away from beginning the first ever human clinical study that will test a new drug, which they hope will be able to detect CTE in the living.
Right now we feel we're very close.
Well, playing football in both university and playing for 10 years professionally, had 3 diagnosed concussions.
Tim Feliszer was the first player in CFL history to win 4 Grey Cups with 4 different teams. Now the executive director of the Concussion Legacy Foundation, he believes that he likely suffers from CTE due to repeated exposure to traumatic brain injuries. Though like every other living person, he can't say for sure.
I think it's less about my own peace of mind as much as it is being able to do something about it. And if we can, in fact, diagnose that disease in vivo, it'll be an absolute game changer.
That's where the team at CAMH step in with the belief that their first ever human clinical study may finally open a vital new door for so many in need.
If this new radiopharmaceutical is successful during the human study, the ultimate goal is to get it approved for use across the country and the world. Morella.
CTV's Adrian Gabriel reporting.